Round two, go ahead. I think you better put your hands up. Put your hands up.
She walking around like.
Okay, break. I think if y'all throw some money in the ring to get in. Good. We got that stuff. She ain't forfeit nothing, she said. She ain't never scared. I'm gonna get a free drink after this. And they throwing money and they ain't fighting yet. Let's go, DJ, drop that shit. Alright, we got Rain. Well, give her a little. She went in there. Chocolate.